Dolphins, Bledsoe and Meyer, Manning and Leaf, Couch, McNabb, and Gluck in RG3. All right, so let's bring back ESPN insider Adam Schefter, who is not talking about Tim Tebow this time. Let's be clear. Adam, Mariota, and Tampa. Any indications that he could be the guy that's
Trey, Tampa's doing exactly what it should be doing right now. It's due diligence, taking him through, interviewing him, having him meet with the front office, the coaches, and owners, so that they can have a feel. When you have the #1 overall pick, as Bill Polian can attest, you want to put everything that you can into the selection to make sure it comes out right. Even in Bill Polian's case, the Colts did not decide on picking Manning over Ryan before the draft. It's a case here where a lot of people believe that Jameis Winston is the favorite in Tampa, but the Buccaneers are still doing a lot of work on
Chloe.
He cannot be eliminated from that conversation.
Chloe.
The #1 overall pick right now. Now, eventually, they may get to the point where they're completely comfortable with Jameis Winston. And Winston's the favorite now. Mariota's still in that conversation with a team that does want to go quarterback at #1.
All right, let's talk a little bit more about Winston here. He's had an interesting couple of weeks. He called a meeting with Commissioner Roger Goodell. He deleted his Twitter account. And now it looks like he may not attend the draft in person. Is this, in your interpretation, Adam, part of a plan to present a more professional image of a man we know so much about already?
Certain things are true. The meeting with the commissioner is to get to know him, to make sure the NFL sees
how long until she snores?
What he has been about and what's been his past, and for him to get his explanation and his version of the events that have followed him throughout the course of his college career. As in relation to him being at the draft, he decided for now not to attend. But let me say this: this is the first year the draft is in Chicago on prime time. The NFL's going to want Jameis Winston there. There have been plenty of prospects who've decided not to attend, only to attend. The last #1